All right, everyone. Welcome to the sixth profit split for SGMMFX Copy Trading Program Season 1. So this is SGMMFX admin and I'm the chief trader for this copy trading program. Okay, so we are running through this copy trading program, we are running a financial experiment. So we observed that majority of the traders, they would lose money in the financial markets. So we asked ourselves this question: how can we be part of this winning 10%? So we decided to do this thing, and we came up with this hypothesis that financial trading is largely a game of skill, and a small part of it is actually the money, the capital, and luck, which is variance law. And it is sustainable over the long term. It can be done over the long term. It's not one off. You get it lucky one off. So with a starting capital of 1K, we plan to trade it for as long as we can for at least a period of 1 year. So this experiment will end when we go bust or when this program reaches the 50-second profit split. So the aims of this experiment is we want to survive for as long as possible, at least 1 year. And our second objective is to maximize our ROI. So based on our current data, we have been able to generate at least 10% each week. So if we project it upwards over a period of 52 weeks, we are expecting an ROI of at least 500%. Might seem unrealistic, but we shall see how it goes. So how do we plan to achieve our objectives? So this is done by avoiding setups with negative expectancy, and we plan to trade as many positive expectancy setups as we can. So when we come across setups that has very high positive expectancy, we might even increase our risk in the trade. So we're very open about the way that we trade. So our main trading strategy is mean reversion. So if you do a Google search of what mean with the trading strategy of mean reversion, so you're basically buying when we feel that prices are deviating too much from their low, and we are shorting when we feel that prices are too high relative to the average. So our style of trading is day trading, where we will open and close our trades within 24 hours. The instruments that we choose to use is gamut. We are using a gamut of financial instruments. So we have our major currencies, and we are using one minor currency, which is GJ. We love using it because it's very volatile, and we can it moves very fast in and out, so we can profit off it quite fast. Gold, oil, indices, we are focusing mainly on US 30. And for cryptos, we focus on the main two, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So some of you might ask, why do we do forex trading and why not stocks trading, options, or futures trading? So we decided to settle on forex trading because it offers extremely high leverage. As much as our broker is offering 1 to 1,000 leverage. So this means that with $1,000 worth of capital, it allows us to open up to 1 million worth of positions. But we usually do not do that lah. Because our trading structure is mainly through layering. So we will never straight up open 1 million worth of position. And the second advantage of forex trading is that it allows you to trade on fractional lots as low as 0.01 lot. In this industry, they call it 1 micro lot, which is not possible in futures trading and options trading. So I'm happy to say that we have made pretty good progress so far. So this is around 6 weeks, around 6 weeks in, we have been able to double the master account from a starting of capital of 1K to now slightly over 1K now. So you can check out our master account on my FX book. Some of the data has been redacted lah because I have had competitors trying to reverse engineer my trading system and trading strategy. So I did not really like it. So some of the trading data has been protected. So for our current week of performance, we were able to generate trading profits of $123.59, which translates to an ROI of 12.4%. So we were able to hit our winning target of about 10%, which is pretty impressive. Lor. Unfortunately, our maximum drawdown this round is slightly high at 23.2%. So we seek to have MDD of less than 20%. So our P to MDD is 0.53, which is not very good in our opinion. We hope our target of P to MD is more than 1. So this is how we choose to grade our grading system for P to MDD. So if it's more than 2, it means that for every uh for every unit of risk that we take, we are able to generate $2 or more worth of profits. So we're going to recap one of the trades that we took this week, which is the trade that we took on Friday for gold. So for gold, I see that it was around the 25.95 level. So I was thinking, hey, it hit the 2600 and then pull back from here, which was a little bit of a mistake. And okay, but I was just focused on what happened initially. So I was very confident about this setup. I even went to the extent of increasing the risk of this setup because I feel that 2600 will be a huge psychological hurdle for the markets to overcome. So maybe you hit 2601, 2602, and I'll see a retracement to 2590. Unfortunately, that's just 1 hour later, uh, prices broke the resistance level of 2600. It continued going up, peaked at about 2612 before pulling back at 2602. So I was very fortunate in the sense that I layered my trades appropriately and I was able to get out around the halfway point, which is 2605. In fact, I got out for profit of around roughly 2%. So some of the reflections for the trade is that I should have been more patient for this trade. If I had waited for one more hourly candle, uh this trade would have turned out to be perfect. The only positive point that I got out of this trade is that I focused on break even when I realized that I was wrong, versus stubbornly holding on. Like in the hopes that my initial hypothesis will be correct lah. So I should have started this trade as an A tier setup instead of A plus, and then increasing it later, as I feel that is justified. So I think this would have been a better move instead. So I've come to the end of my presentation. So this a bit of me doing the selling lah. So if you would like to be part of this financial experiment, the minimum investment is 1K. If you want to find out details of how to join, detailed instructions can be found in the link below. And you can drop me a DM once you have completed the steps. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have learned